Get out of here. What the hell's wrong with you?
So y'all know Dave has been having problems with his shoulders. So today we're at the acupuncturist.
My wife's nuttier than a fucking fruitcake.
What, nuttier than what, honey?
A fruitcake.
A fruitcake, yeah. So anyway, we're going to the acupuncturist today.
Did you lock the car?
Yes, I locked the car.
I didn't hear the beeper.
So we're going to the acupuncturist today. I don't know if she's going to let me film inside or not, but we'll find out.
Oh my God.
I would like to film your treatment, honey. Go.
Filming your treatment?
Do you mind? Are you okay with being on camera? Okay.
You don't care?
This better not be for insurance purposes.
No. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You can. And can you lay on your back?
I can, but I can only lay there so far in my about an hour,
Yep.
and then the shoulders there's just pain.
Okay.
So I don't know what's wrong with my shoulders. Basically, everybody's different opinions. So
Have you had X-rays and stuff on them?
no, haven't.
Work still?
No.
Okay. Are you on the computer lots too?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So with your head kind of down,
Right.
looking at the computer. Okay.
Well, I don't know that his head would be down looking at the computer because of the way that his monitor is set. He'd be looking straight.
Right at it.
But he is using a lot of that
Mouse and keyboarding.
Yeah, well, not the keyboarding because he doesn't actually type, but
Okay.
the mouse.
Yeah.
Yeah, he watches videos and
Art
stuff.
checking.
Yeah, he watches videos and stuff. But the way it's set up, his monitor is high enough that he's not having to look down at his monitor. He would be looking straight.
And how about a phone? Do you have a phone?
Yeah.
Do you go on that phone lots like that?
No.
Or is it not that kind of phone? Is it a flip phone?
It's a flip phone.
Would you hand that to me?
You have to sign it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You have a flip phone that you can't text on, probably.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm up to date.
Yeah.
I got a flipper.
Perfect. Now, do you think that you can lay down on here? I'm going to move this off of here. So your face would be here and your hands here.
Okay.
And then I can put some towels under your shoulders if it makes it more comfortable so they're not kind of doing this. Do you think you'd be able to do that?
Well, late now, yeah.
Yeah, I'll put the bed down a bit. I'm going to get you to take your shoes and your socks off though, please.
Shoes in my sock.
And you have to you can sit on the
Oh,
bed
are you
there.
going to try to touch his feet?
You can't touch your feet?
I have a footish thing, a foot problem.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
all.
He has very ticklish feet.
You know,
Okay.
sensitive feet, I guess. You want my socks off?
Yep. And then just roll up your pants a little bit. I won't touch your feet though, but I have to do some needles down there because if it's all up here, you can get dizzy and get headaches because everything's at the top of your head.
Right, right.
This is torture.
How's that? Does that feel better?
Okay.
Are your eyes open?
Oh, what, you gonna try to look through the cloth? What in the heck is wrong with the center of my shoulders, both shoulders, and then it radiates out,
Down through here.
Yeah. Now, where you were the last, right there,
Yeah.
that's kind of sore right there.
Okay. 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 So all I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to put some alcohol on the points that I'm going to needle, and I'm needling around, well, there's a couple reasons, but I'm needling down here by your feet because, again, if I just did this all up by your shoulders, you'd probably feel dizzy and maybe not good because all the energy is going to the top of your head. And most people don't feel like it's painful. I feel like I'm teaching a class or something.
I was gonna say, do you often have people come in and video
No.
you while you're working? So how long have you been an acupuncturist?
5 years I've been working here.
Okay.
Yeah. How was that? Did you survive?
What'd you do?
Did you feel it?
No.
So that's very common where people will be like, did you do something? Okay. In inflamed and stuff, basically, you know, blood goes there to repair it, or there's inflammation from injury, and it doesn't move out, then you get the pain. And that's why they do it for the swimmers, because they've used up all their muscles doing their activity, and then they want to clear it out before they compete again. So I'm gonna do just a little bit here. You let me know how the pressure is. I'm actually gonna do something called gua sha, which is the same principle as cupping. It's just that I find it's easier to get into the area. But if the pressure and this is at all uncomfortable, let me know. And just so you know, this is gonna leave a really bad mark on your skin, but it will go away. So as long as you're not in any bathing suit competition, maybe.
Yeah, I'll have to cancel.
Yeah. Okay, does that feel okay so far?
Yeah.
Okay. So what'll show up here is just where it gets really red is probably what you have seen with the athletes, and that's where most of the congestion is. How are you doing?
Fine.
That feels okay?
Yes.
So you see where it's
Yeah.
red there?
Yeah.
That's where stuff is moving out.
I was in my 30s.
Yeah, you can really see the red on there.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to sting?
No, is it stinging?
Over on this side. It's not really. It's not.
It does hurt a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so maybe that's the sensation.
Yeah.
But yeah.
It's not. It's just noticeable.
So I'm not going to go really crazy on this. Like I have done this before where someone's back is very, very red because I sort of want to see how you do with it before I go to.
And what's the redness say?
So that just tells me, like, so where it's red is where it's stuck. Like, say blood's gone there to repair the muscle because the muscle's been injured.
Oh.
Or there's inflammation just maybe from overuse and stuff.
Yeah.
So that's what the red is telling me, is that there's just congestion in that area. And this is a way to get it moving.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And we all have this. It's just, you know, if you've injured yourself and have these as kind of problem areas, it could be that you have more. Are you doing okay?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it supposed to hurt?
Well, it does hurt. I know that it
Yeah.
doesn't. It's not, like, I wouldn't say it's super painful. It's just not comfortable, is it?
Yeah, it's not really. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a weird sensation. Some people love it. Other people don't like it at all. But I am just going to go down here, and then I'm not going to go too crazy because, again, I want to make sure that I don't overdo it.
Especially the first time, yeah.
Yeah. So today, drink lots of water because what I'm doing is getting toxins out for you.
Okay.
And so that you can flush it out.
Okay.
And yeah. See, and the other thing too is you see how it didn't take me very long to get it this red, right?
Right, yeah.
Yeah. So there's stuff stuck in there.
Yeah.
Like it's not, I mean, even though it looks like I probably was like, I wasn't working very hard
Right.
to do it.
Yeah, it pops up pretty easy.
Yeah. I'm going to try do a little bit of other kind of heat on you. So, okay. So now I'm going to do some needling there. Now your shoulders are okay for you to lay like that for a little bit?
Yep.
Okay. Because once I put these in, then you're going to be laying there for about 20 minutes or so.
Mm. And what does that do?
What I'm doing here,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going into unblock the meridian that's blocked from that, and go into the, yeah, kind of free up the muscle, but just kind of get energy to move from where it's blocked. But also this is almost more of a kind of an orthopedic issue too, whereas if I go in and get the muscle to relax, then some of the stuff can flow out of it. So I'm kind of coming at it from both ways, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
He's doing okay?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some different kind of heat. I will be back, so just relax, okay?
Okay.
You know how the heat is.
And what is that? Moxa?
It's called Moxa, yeah, and it's mugwort. And it's a really nice heat. That feels really good, kind of like with your body temperature.
Mm-hmm.
And in lots of the hospitals in China where they do just moxa and acupuncture. If you go to an Eastern hospital as opposed to a Western one, this is what they use to treat you with.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah. This is what they would have used like years. They've used it for many years, but like when living in China when it's cold.
Mm-hmm.
And you can get lots of different pathologies from having cold in your system. So, does it feel okay?
Yeah, that should heat.
Well, that was quite interesting. Dave is still in there. He'll be about another 20 minutes or so, but he's just lying there relaxing with heat and the pins in him and stuff. And I decided to not stick around to watch her take them out because it's so flippin' hot in there. Oh my gosh. I mean, you got to keep it warm because you got a patient sitting there with no shirt on and you're putting stuff on him and stuff. But oh my gosh, it was warm in that treatment room. So I had to leave and come out and sit in the car. So we'll catch up with Dave when he gets back.
Now you're gonna make me waffle? God.
Okay, so here he is.
Yeah, weren't I lucky?
So
what?
what did you think?
Oh, it's fine, except I told her, I says, that's too long.
That's too long?
Yeah.
An hour or?
Is this any good?
Yeah, it's fine.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You spit in it?
I didn't spit in it. So that was our first foray into acupuncture. It was pretty interesting to watch it. I don't know if I could have laid there for an hour either. And so if Dave goes back, he'll definitely be cutting it a little shorter than an hour of laying there. This is the next day, and his shoulders and stuff from being laying down like that for so long are actually sore today. I should go ask him. Let's go ask him how he feels. So, you had your acupuncture yesterday. How do you feel?
I'm sore.
Are you sore in the same places or are you sore in different places?
No, same places.
Same places? Same soreness? Does it feel like anything has changed?
Yeah, it's a lot more sore on the left side than it was.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it is just the day after, and she did warn that it could be painful the day after. So I'm going to ask you again tomorrow.
Well, aren't I the lucky one?
You are the lucky one. You're my hero. Can you say goodbye and thanks for watching?
Goodbye. I don't care if they watch. They can if they want. If they don't want to, they don't have to.
Okay, how about ring the bell?
Oh, you and your bell thing. Ring the bell.
Can you tell Dave's a little bit crabby today because he's in pain? Poor sweet boy. Well, there you have it. Straight from the horse's mouth. He is kind of sore and kind of crabby today, but we'll check back in with him in a day or two. Well, we have a live later today. It's actually Saturday, May 7th, and we do have a live later today, and this probably won't come out till after that, so I would look for it probably on the 8th, and we'll check in with him again and see how he feels. Thanks for coming along and sharing this experience with us. We really do appreciate. I really do appreciate your time. As you can tell, Dave still says it's not his channel. He's not part of Lorrie's world, but he really is. But anyway, I do appreciate your time and I appreciate you coming in. And if you'd like to, leave a comment. If you have any questions about what we experienced with Dave's first acupuncture, let me know and we'll try to answer them. Like, it's the first time, so we don't really know what's going on with it. We'll see. He's a little sore. His skin still has, you saw those big red marks on his skin. They're still there today. So we'll see. I'll check them every day and see how long it takes for those to dissipate, and I'll let you know. Anyway, thanks again. I will see you soon. Take great care of yourself. You deserve it. Bye now.